Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted AOL mail. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up your AOL mail app. Once you open up it, go to the inbox on bottom left corner, tap on it again, and here you can see trash. Tap on it. So here you can see a list of mail. This is all deleted mail. So in order to recover this, you need to select all this mail. Let's say I want to recover this mail. Simply hold on it for a second. So now it will give you this menu here. Select message, tap on it. Now tap on move icon on bottom. Now here tap on move icon, and here tap on inbox. So now when you tap on this trash icon, it will show you this menu here. Tap on inbox, and now you can see that your deleted mail has been recovered. So in this way you can recover your deleted mail on AOL mail. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.